Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Executing a SQL stored procedure in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, you will learn how to execute a SQL stored procedure from a Python script. Unlike calling a stored procedure using the call statement, we will use Python to execute the stored procedure and retrieve its results. We will use the pyodbc library to connect to a SQL Server database and demonstrate the process step by step. Prerequisites. Python installed on your system. You can download it from https://www.python.org/downloads. SQL Server installed and configured. The pyodbc library installed. You can install it using pip. Step 1. Import required libraries. To start, import the necessary libraries in your Python script. Step 2. Connect to the SQL Server database. Establish a connection to your SQL Server database using pyodbc. You will need to replace the placeholders with your database credentials and connection details. Step 3. Create a cursor. To execute SQL statements, you need to create a cursor object. This cursor will allow you to send SQL commands to the database. Step 4. Execute the stored procedure. Now, let's execute the SQL stored procedure. Replace your _procedure _name with the name of your stored procedure. Step 5. Fetch results, if applicable. If your stored procedure returns any results, you can fetch and process them using the fetchAll method. Step 6. Close the cursor and connection. Always remember to close the cursor and the database connection when you're done. Conclusion. This tutorial has shown you how to execute a SQL stored procedure from a Python script using the pyodbc library. You can adapt this process to your specific database and stored procedure requirements. Executing stored procedures from Python can be a powerful way to automate and integrate SQL operations into your applications. ChatGPT